on the hill, back at it. Got some more boards coming off. This is probably, I don't know, 8-inch wide at least. This is out of those long, straight walnut logs I've got. I'm working through, trying to get these into boards. Kind of canted this thing out a little bit. Left the bark on one side. I'll flip it in the bottom cut, but just trying to make some nice 5/4 boards for my board people. Cutting boards, cabinet builders, jewelry box builders, furniture builders. But anyways, here it is, walnut, going at it, about to go back through one more cut and take another board off. Let's see what happens here. See if I can do this with one hand after I lock it. It'll be pretty loud, but we'll give it a try. Alright, sorry for all the loud noise on the machine, but I thought people might want to see it cut a board and see what it looks like. So these will be drying and in inventory soon, along with cherry and hopefully some elm and mulberry too at some point, but for sure cherry, walnut, and red and white oak quarterstone, of course. But there you go. I think this is a 12'4", and it looks like about 8 inches. Yeah, probably, yeah, about 8 inches, I'd say. So these will be coming soon for all you people that want boards and been asking for them. Here they are. Just got to dry them and put them in inventory. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the mill on the hill. Dunraven, Landrum, South Carolina. Thanks for watching.